बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम द इंग्लिश टू पश्तो लर्निंग्स द कोونکو لکه څنګه چې تاسو ته پته ده چې انګلیش ټو پښتو لرننګ په هر هفته کې تاسو د پاره یو کلاس ضرور تیاروي. نن چې ما کوم کلاس تاسو د پاره راوړی دی دا کلاس دی آبجیکټیو یعنی موږ سره لس جملې دي او موږ چې ورته په پښتو کې خالی ځایونه وایو دا خالی ځایونه به نن تاسو فل کوئ او بیا به ماته په اخره کې د کلاس په اخره کې په کمنټس کې لیکئ چې په دې لسو خالی ځایونو کې تاسو ته څو خالی ځایونه درځي او څو نه درځي. دا جملې شروع کوو. اولنۍ جمله ده I left mobile home. I left mobile in home, on home, at home. I left mobile at home. پدې کې at راځي. I will meet you downstairs 5 minutes. I will meet you downstairs in 5 minutes, on 5 minutes, at 5 minutes. I will meet you downstairs on 5 minutes. Who was that? The phone. Who was that? The in phone, on phone, at phone. Who was that on the phone? She writes me every month. She writes me for every month, in every month, to every month. She writes to me every month. He was named his great-grandfather. He was named after his great-grandfather, to his great-grandfather, about his great-grandfather. He was named after his great-grandfather. She worked at the bank 6 years. She worked at the bank since 6 years, for 6 years, until 6 years. She worked at the bank for 6 years. I love traveling train. I love traveling a train, with train, by train. I love traveling by train. His mother died the hospital. His mother died in the hospital, of the hospital, at the hospital. His mother died in the hospital. He is not especially interested in sports. He is not specially interested of sports, for sports, in sports. He is not especially interested in sports. Hassan has been here 10 a.m. Hassan has been for 10 a.m. since 10 a.m. until 10 a.m. Hassan has been here since 10 a.m. دا لس ابجیکټیو چې تاسو وکتل تاسو اوس مونږ ته په کمنټس کې ولیکئ چې په دې کې تاسو ابجیکټیو درتلل